The power of two colors. Harness the power of simplicity by creating art with only two colors. It's a fascinating approach that simplifies your mixes yet challenges your creativity to the core. Imagine the world of color boiled down to just two hues, say burnt sienna and ultramarine. The possibilities are endless with variations in chroma or color intensity and temperature, whether warm or cool. Even the most basic duo can offer a wide spectrum of shades, tones and moods. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of two-color painting. Exploring color swatches. Begin your painting journey by familiarizing yourself with your chosen colors. We're working with two hues today, burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. Start by creating small color swatches, exploring the potential of these two vibrant tones. Burnt sienna, a warm earthy red-orange, and ultramarine blue, a contrasting cool blue. Let's start our limited palette painting. You can paint with me by making a copy of the contour drawing for your painting. Although the reference image is a lemon with a local color of yellow and a leaf with local color green, we will use our own colors of burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. As you blend these colors, you'll notice a variety of grays emerging, mirroring the shades we often see in nature. The full real-time version of this course, with every step explained, is on my Patreon.